Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting behind the wheel of a raging bull, the legendary Lamborghini Urus, but not just any Urus, the all-new 2025 model. Buckle up, gearheads and car enthusiasts alike, because this is one seriously impressive machine. Key features: performance. Let's start with what's under the hood. This isn't your average SUV engine. The 2025 Urus boasts a twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 beast, but that's not the whole story. This time around, Lamborghini's unleashed a plug-in hybrid twist. That means an electric motor joins the party, kicking the total output to a mind-blowing 789 horsepower. Now, when I say mind-blowing, I mean it. This Urus rockets from 0 to 60 mph in a scorching 3.4 seconds. That's faster than most sports cars. But here's the cool part: you can also switch to pure electric mode for a silent, emissions-free cruise. It's like having two cars in one. Design tech. Lamborghini isn't known for subtlety, and the 2025 Urus is no exception. The aggressive design cuts a striking figure on the road. The new front hood and redesigned LED headlights are inspired by the Lamborghini Revuelto, giving it a sharper, more aerodynamic look. Step inside, and the luxury screams Italian excellence. The interior is crafted with premium materials and boasts a driver-focused cockpit that puts all the controls at your fingertips. But it's not just about looks. The Urus is packed with tech too. A new digital instrument cluster and a Lamborghini-developed infotainment system with voice commands keep you connected and informed. Unique selling points. The 2025 Urus is a true game-changer. It's a monstrously powerful super SUV that can devour a racetrack, yet it's also surprisingly practical. The spacious interior and ample cargo room make it perfect for families who crave a little extra thrill in their daily lives. Plus, with the hybrid option, you can enjoy the thrill of performance while minimizing your environmental impact. Conclusion: the 2025 Lamborghini Urus is a breed apart. It's a fusion of untamed power, cutting-edge technology, and undeniable Italian style. Whether you're a seasoned petrolhead or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Urus is sure to turn heads and leave you breathless. So, if you're looking for an SUV that breaks the mold and lets you experience the thrill of a Lamborghini legend, then the 2025 Urus might just be your perfect match. Thanks for joining me on this ride, and don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think.